Hello everyone, welcome to my tech space, your ultimate guide for all your tech related issues. In this video, we're going to be speaking on a step-by-step process on how to switch multiple accounts on TikTok. Now guys, just quickly before we dive into the process, please make sure that your internet connection is stable. So without further delay, let's get into this. Firstly, open your TikTok app on your phone. On the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see profile icon. Tap on it. Then tap on your name on the top middle section of your screen where you can see the drop down arrow. Now if you haven't logged in to multiple accounts, then click on the plus icon inside the circle on the bottom left corner of your screen. Or if you have already logged into your other TikTok account, then just click on your username. You will simply switch to another TikTok account. As you can see here, the notification shows you are currently logged in to another account username. So that is how you can easily switch multiple accounts in TikTok. And that's it guys. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section. Leave a like if you found this to be helpful and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you all in the next one.